This video, I'm going to show you how to install Ventoy onto your Windows. So first of all, make sure you are on the official website of Ventoy. And then as you can see, we have a different file for different operating systems. So in this case, we're going to use a Windows. So click on this Ventoy Windows.zip and it will redirect you to the another page. So in here, you will see the download latest version button. So you can click on that. So simply click on that and the Ventoy will automatically download. So assumingly we'll click on that, and as you can see, I've already finished downloading the Ventoy. So first, after that, click on that and start extracting your Ventoy onto your laptop or Windows or desktop or whatever you're using, as long as it's Windows. And once the extraction is complete, and you will see there a file for Ventoy. Just simply click on that and start installing it onto your USB. And that's how you install Ventoy here in Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.